My dear apprentices, this is your coach, Mr. Magno, once again with a wonderful video from the Eureka program. In this video, you are going to relate repeated addition and multiplication to fractions. Let me just go over a couple of the examples that you see in front of you. Here's the example. So we have this fraction 2/3 repeated 3 times. So that's 3 times, and notice what happens. You counted in these examples. What you do, you count how many twos you have. One, two, three, and that gives you the number 4. And you multiply it times 2 because that's the number that was repeated 4 times. And obviously, the product of 4 times 2 equals 8. And because these are fractions that have the same denominator, then you write the same denominator. Okay? So, for example, it says rewrite the following expressions as showed in the example. Okay, let's do the first one. And let me get my equation tool. I'm going to press this right here and align it. That's gonna be equal to how many fives do I have? I have one, two, three fives. Okay, so I'm gonna write 3 5s, and that's going to be 3, and I'm going to insert the multiplication symbol that is going to say that I have this number 5 3 times. So there is a number 3 times 5. And remember, this is a fraction. So in this fraction, this is going to be divided by, they're both going to be divided by 2, the 3, which is the 3 right here. Okay, and let me see if I can do this just the way they had it there. So that's going to be a multiplication, and I'm going to say this. Nope. I think I'm going to do multiplication right here. Let me do this times. Then the number 3 times 5, and this is going to be divided by the same denominator, which is 3. Okay. So now, as you can see, we created a multiplication from that, and we can now find the product of it. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 over 3. 15 over 3 is a division, my friends. So remember, we'll have to either find the whole number or the mixed number. And if you look at your multiplication table, you will see that 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Okay, my friends? And this is how you show a fraction as a repeated addition. All right, let's do one more. We have 13 fifths plus 13 fifths on this, on B, on 1B. Okay, let's do that. So again, we have, let me align this. Okay, so we have how many 13s? We have 2 of them. Okay, and 2 of them. So now in this new problem, we have 13 and 13. 13 fifths plus 13 fifths, which means we can demonstrate that one in a multiplication as a, let me show you this, uh, select here, as two, two groups of 13 divided by the same denominator, okay? And that gives you the ability to multiply 2 times 13, that will be 26, and that will be divided by 5, okay? And again, in this problem, you will be able to see, you will be able to know that 26 divided by 5, that will be equal to 5, because 5 times 5 equals 25. And we have a fraction of 1/5. Yes, 1/5. Okay, and that will be easier to see. So now we can see that this is how you relate fractions to a repeated addition or multiplication. Your coach, Mr. Magno, is signing